Dreaming of Da Nang but worried about the infamous rainy season? Everyone says avoid Da Nang during the rainy season, right? What if we told you that is completely wrong? And you might be missing out on an even more authentic experience. Get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about Da Nang during the rainy season. Let's go. Is Da Nang a complete washout? Let's separate fact from fiction about monsoon season. Sometimes it's just a little sprinkle like this. Everyone knows Da Nang for its golden beaches and sunny days. But what happens when the rain starts pouring?
Look at this.
Don't pack up just yet, because Da Nang during the rainy season is full of cozy cafes, colorful markets, relaxing spas, and hidden adventures that come alive when the skies turn gray. First up, nothing says rainy day in Vietnam like a rich coffee while you sit and watch the world go by. Da Nang's coffee culture shines even brighter on a rainy day. You can sit a Tiramisu coffee right here at Kopi Coffee, or go to Webe and try a delicious salted coffee, coconut coffee at GOM Garden, or an avocado coffee at Trinh. Regardless of what you choose, every sip is like comfort in a cup. Now that we're caffeinated, it's the perfect time to tell you about the two apps we use the most to get us through the rainy period.
Okay, so Windy first. Windy is a weather app that's more accurate than most other apps in the region.
So it currently says it's raining, but as you can see, it's obviously not.
Yeah, so you can see how much it will rain by the hour and how windy it will be, so we can really plan our day using Windy.
Windy lets us know if it's safe enough to be at the beach or if we should make other plans.
So if Windy says it'll be a little bit windy and a little bit rainy, we don't mind. We grab our raincoats, umbrellas, and we just walk. However, if there's going to be a serious downpour or a monsoon, we always take a grab.
Grabs are great at getting around any time of the year. They're nice, clean, cool cars. For $1 to $4 can get you all around the city of Da Nang.
From our apartment all the way to the mall is about $1.50 or so. So we can really get around inexpensively in a grab.
You can also use a Grab app for ordering food and groceries. So it's an all-around great app for you to have while here in Da Nang.
Rainy days are perfect in Da Nang for exploring the arts. For example, behind me here is a theater that does tons of live performances, beautiful dancing, lots of other Vietnamese shows. It's a great way to learn more about the culture and to get in and out of the rain. We're not going to check it out today because, as you can see, even though it's the rainy season, it's beautiful and the sun is out. Most days during the rainy season aren't even rainy. But if you need to escape a downpour, Da Nang's malls are surprisingly fun, modern, and super clean. Behind me here is Go Da Nang, the first Vietnamese mall we ever explored. It has a ton to offer, including a theater upstairs that shows movies even in English. We've been there a couple of times. We absolutely love it. And if the rain won't quit or it's too blustery to be down at the beach, it's the perfect excuse to come relax and unwind and get a massage. Behind me is Healing Hands, our absolute favorite place to come get a massage in Da Nang. Massages here aren't just luxurious, they're affordable. For $10 US, you can get a 60-minute massage, and they have several different types. We absolutely love it.
Finished. Feeling good.
Especially after a long day of editing or finishing a vlog, it's the perfect way to end the day. Another thing we love to do on a rainy day is just walk a couple doors down here to one of these fresh seafood Vietnamese restaurants and grab a delicious bite. Let's go do that now. We recently discovered this little restaurant just a couple doors down from our building. Cheers! We've had delicious clams and lemongrass, and tonight we're gonna try the pork ribs. The seafood fried rice is delicious. And it is massive. Huge. It's got shrimp, squid. It's all been amazing. It's really nice. They have a lot of variety, a whole bunch of things to choose from. It's all super fresh. They have live tanks, and it's absolutely delicious. So cheesy. Plus, the prices are fantastic. One thing we love to do on a rainy or windy day is come get a bowl of soup at Pho Bat Da. It's one of our favorite places here. Steven gets the pho thai, and I like to mix it up. They have a couple of really delicious soups. I like the Boon Cha Hong Quat, not sure I pronounced that correctly. And I absolutely love the Banh Mi Bo Sot Vang. They're both delicious, but we haven't found anything we didn't love here. It smells so good. It's such a rich beef broth, and I don't know if it has beef or pork in it, but it's fantastic. And then you get this whole warm baguette. Oh, that's nice and soft and hot. So many flavors and spices. It's perfect the way it is. I devour this soup. Look at it. The perfect ending to a windy, cold, rainy day. And if you're feeling bold, don't let the rain stop you. Grab an umbrella or a raincoat and head down to the beach. It's still a lovely place to take a walk. They're not very crowded, and the city has fewer tourists, so it feels more intimate. Sometimes the best moments are while you're waiting for the storm to pass. Is it worth it?
Our honest verdict?
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty worth it. Being here in Da Nang during the rainy season only means that it rains periodically throughout the month.
Let's talk facts here for a minute about the rainy season. The average rainfall per day is 1/2 inch to 1 inch, which is less than Chicago or Seattle. The difference here is that the downpours bring a lot of rain all at one time. But most days during the rainy season, there's not even any rain. Like for example, today is a high of 80 and it's been sunny all day. Right, so we wouldn't recommend it if you're only here for a 5 or 7 day vacation because it could be a washout during those days. If a typhoon is coming, it can really slow things down for flights and things for a couple of days on either end. However, if you're gonna stay in Da Nang for a month or more, you will definitely have sunny, hot days.
Yeah. So there's plenty of time to go to the beach, get a nice walk on the sand without your shoes on, go sightseeing around the city. There are plenty of things to do here in Da Nang in the rainy season.
And if you're on a budget, it's the perfect time to come because there are so many hotels and resorts and attractions giving discount ticket prices because there are less tourists. Also, the city has a more intimate feel because there are fewer tourists and traffic overall. With that being said, you should definitely research the area that you'll be staying in Da Nang or the surrounding area. This year, Hoi An had one of their biggest record floods ever. That was pretty impactful for a lot of people.
If you're coming over to this area during the rainy season, it doesn't hurt to check with your hotel to see if they're in the flood area. So what's your experience with the rainy season here in Da Nang or any other country that you've ever been to? Let us know in the comments.